It's Frank with Stonelink Property Manager. We're here at 65 County Street, Unit 6, Seekonk, Massachusetts. First floor, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom apartment for rent. Starting our video tour right when you walk in. Beautiful flooring throughout. High ceilings. Big windows for plenty of natural light. Kitchen area here. State of the art refrigerator, electric stove, built-in microwave, under-mount sink, plenty of counter and cabinet space. Bathroom here. Beautiful shower, backsplash. Bedroom here, could fit a queen, king set. Like to apply for 65 County Street, Unit 6. Click that Apply Now button bottom of the screen. If you don't want to fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.